Captains for tonight's game from Siloam Springs. Number 17 is Brad Dalrymple. Number 49, Tony Brown. Captains for the Indians. Number 1 is Robert White. Number 14, Bobby Christie. Stilwell has won the toss, elects to receive. Number 12, David Kittle, strong safety, a sophomore. Number 17, at a safety, Brad Dalrymple, a senior. Number 29, a senior. Number 88, at halfback, Mike Harrington, a senior. Your starting defensive line, Indians, Bob Ivins, head coach, Rob Fry, John Hetherington, and the Indians. Line is set. Testing, 1-2. Touchdown, Panthers. Frank Lynham from his fullback position goes in for the sixth. The extra point is good by... Thompson, Capps, and Cochran are back deep for the Indians. Steve Cochran. Capps. Capps is tripped up over the line of scrimmage by Tony Brown. Third down. Third down and 1. Joey Kitchers, quarterback sneak. First down, Stillwell. Penalty flags. Down in 7.
Bootleg.
McNair's pass is complete to Sean Castron. 28-yard pass play, first down and 10 for the Indians. Joey Kitcher at quarterback. Capps is hit behind the line of scrimmage, and the fumble is recovered by Calvin Backward for the Panthers. Lynham carries over the left side.
Quick pitch. This is 49 quick pitch.
The pitch goes to Gary Dunlap around the left side. He's forced out of bounds in it. At the end of the halftime tonight, we'll be giving away the game ball along with free moving program. Dalrymple, now that you've looked through your program, it's on the front cover. Dalrymple comes around the right side on the punt return. Tackle in there made by Lynn Brandon. On the option. Clayton Thompson makes. Jason Capps, quick kicks for the Indians. The ball rolls dead at the Panther 25-yard line.
Let's play, Coach. .32 pounds.
At their own 44-yard line. Dalrymple's pass is complete to Gary Dunlap as he gets over the mid-brimage is the Indian 47-yard line. The pitch goes to Mike Harrington, number 88, as he comes around the left side. Dalrymple's pass is complete to Tony Brown, number 49. Tackle made by Bobby.
That guy's talking on that PA.
Give us to Lynham, stop made by Bill Jones.
Left guard misses block bad. What's play?
Dalrymple keeps around the right end.
You better hurry.
Bill Jones, number 67, catches Dalrymple in his own backfield, causes a fumble, and recovers the fumble for the Indians. The Indians have it first.
When they get in that 6-2 and that linebacker start walking up there, he's got hard to do something.
Lance Goodwin keeps on the right. Joey Ketcher's pass is complete to Sean Catron. He gets in Panther territory. The give is to Clayton Thompson. Fumble on the play, but still retains possession. McNatt's pass is complete to Robert White. Lance Goodwin on the quarterback. Gary Dunlap, the deep man for the Panthers. The ball is touched dead about the 8. Dalrymple on the option around the right side keeps. Second down and 13 yards to go for first down. Lynham breaks over the right side and he gets out to close to the first down marker. The Panthers at their own 28-yard line. Dalrymple on the option, comes back up the middle, tackled at the... Frank Lynham carries over the right side. He gets first down yardage. Gary Dunlap, the ball carrier.
He's 56. Left offensive tackle.
Dalrymple's caught in the backfield. Tackled by Will Fort. Jason Capps comes out for the Indians. Third down and 8. Pass falls incomplete. Bob Garrett rushes the passer and the ball falls in. Punt for the Panthers. Punt is called for on a fair catch by Bobby Christie. The give is to Capps.
Right there, right there.
Clayton Thompson, the ball carrier. Tackle made by... Clayton Thompson takes the pitch over the right. The spirit of the Indians. Those of you that purchased game ball tickets, get your ticket ready. The game ball tickets. Looking for tickets. Kick is taken by Tony Brown. He's tackled at the Panther 32-yard line. Kirby Reynolds. Panther ball, first down and 10. Dalrymple gives to Lynham. Gary Dunlap is the ball carrier. Tackle made by Catron, number 1. In the safety position, Steve Cochran, number 3. At the corner, Bobby Christie wearing number 14. Dalrymple's pass is complete to Jeff McGooden. Tackle made by Steve Cochran at the 46-yard Capps. Bill Jones wearing number 67 at the other defensive end. Options around the left side. Pitches out to Shea. Dalrymple's Davis to line him as he goes over the left tackle. Gets about 10 yards on the carry. First down. Penalty markers. Penalty markers one more time. Indication is against. Fumble on the play, and Stillwell has recovered. Oldsmobile AD 307. Would you please move your car? Thompson gets the pitch from Goodwin. Penalty flags on the play. The indication is against Siloam Springs. Tim McNatt on the reverse. Tackled by John Collins for the Panthers. McNatt's pass is complete to White. Robert White makes the reception for the Indians in Panther territory.
Come on, Shane! Well, come on! Shane, tight end!
Jason Camps, the ball carrier. Tackle made by Tony Brown.
Pass! No.
Clayton Thompson takes the pitch from quarterback Goodwin. Joey Ketcher goes back to pass, decides to run, is caught in punt. Gary Dunlap back to receive.
Get away from it. Get away from it. I'll take that. What in the hell is that?
Shea McGooden. Fair catch signal is test against the Panthers. 5-yard penalty. First down and 10 for the Panthers. Frank Lynham, number 44, the ball carrier over the left side. Tackle made by Sean King. Gary Dunlap, number 29, carries out to the 43-yard line. Bill Jones.
There they go, getting ready to move up in there.
Frank Lynham, the ball carrier. Tackle made by Robert White. Gain of 2 yards. Gary Dunlap carries for the Panthers. Gain of 3 yards on the play.
We're getting ready to go roll the tackles to the outside. So if y'all
3rd down and 4 yards to go for the first down. The ball in Indian territory at the Indian 49-yard line. Frank Lynham.
Oh, I see. I know what he's going to do.
Cochran and Christie are back deep for the Indians. Dalrymple punts. Bobby Christie returns. Indians ball, 1st down and 10 at their own 21-yard line. Penalty markers before the play.
Oh, he likes
Clayton Thompson carries around the 4 yards on the carry, brings up 2nd down and 11. Bill McGee, the ball carrier, and also injured on the play. Gain of about 4 yards. It'll bring up 3rd down and 7. Line of scrimmage, the Indian 34. 24.
Get it, go!
Jason Capps on another quick kick. Panthers recovered at their own 36. Still trying to give away the seat cushions. Number 70. Number 70. If you have program number 70, come redeem your seat cushions. The pitch is to Mike. Dalrymple keeps on a mix-up in the backfield. Robert White makes the hit on Brad Dalrymple, and the pass falls incomplete, brings up 4th down and 16. 10:38 remaining in the game. Fades back deep. Dalrymple to punt. The punt rolls dead at the Indian 41-yard line. McNabb's pass is complete to Clayton Thompson, number 25, at the personal foul face man. 15 yards. catcher's pass is intended for Sean. Pass is complete. Goodwin's pass is complete to Thompson. He's hit behind the line of scrimmage. The deep man for the Panthers, Sean Catron to punt for the Indians. Penalty marker before the play. Five-yard penalty brings up 4th down and 12. Dalrymple gives to Lynham right up the middle, and he fights to the 39-yard line. Tackle made by Bill Jones. Lynham now has 99 yards rushing on the night. Frank Lynham fights his way into Indian territory at the 47-yard line. Penalty marker. Illegal procedure. Frank Lynham carries to the 43-yard line. Bobby Christie makes the tackle. Dalrymple's pass is complete to Tony Brown. Bobby. Give once again is to Frank Lynham as he goes over the right side of the line. Second down for the Panthers, 6:07 remaining in the game. Dalrymple gives to Lynham over the right side. There's a penalty marker on the tackle. Dalrymple keeps the law around the left end. Frank Lynham goes in for the score from the 15-yard line. John Wolf to attempt the extra point. Brad Dalrymple to hold. Kick is up. And good.
You're right. Can't trust the wives.
Catch return. McNabb's pass is complete to Capps as he goes. First down 10 for the Indians at their own 48. And that pass is complete to Clayton Thompson. McNabb's pass is complete to Bill McGee. He gets down to the... Fumble on the play, and the Panthers have recovered. Their own 32-yard line. Frank Lynham, the ball carrier, fights his way out to the 30. Second down and 7 for the Panthers. Lynham again over the right side. Incomplete pass. Low snap, and the Indians have the ball at about their 24-yard line. McNabb gives them one. Penalty marker before the play. Pass intended for Catron. Substitution infraction on the Panthers. Brings up third down and about 1. 54 seconds remaining in the game. Fourth down and 1 for the Indians. McNabb pitches to McGee. He makes first down yardage. Give us to Will Forkiller, and he's in for the score. Will Forkiller, 12-yard touchdown. Attempt the extra point. Joey Ketchert to hold. Kick goes wide to the right. No. Dunlap back deep for the Panthers. The onside kick. Panther ball. 5-yard penalty, first down and 15. 4 seconds remaining in the game.
Do it again, aren't they?
Dalrymple falls on the ball. That's the end of the ball game. Siloam Springs 14, Stillwell 6. Our thanks to Russ Turner on being as the spirit of the Indians for this evening's contest. The junior class still has pizza available in the concession stand on the far side of the field.